Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new, hi, I'm Jeanette from Boricua Sewing and Crafts, and in this video what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be embroidering some mini tote bags. And these mini tote bags have the logo of Trader Joe's. Okay, so I have a customer that came and bought me two of these mini tote bags. They're so super cute, they really are. And she wants to be able to embroider names on top of the logo. Okay, so here, as you can see, there is a pocket. All right, so I'm going to be embroidering right above the name. I was looking at some templates. She wanted to use the same type of font that is kind of in Trader Joe's. I was able to find this one. Okay, I was going to use one like this, but as you can see, it's kind of too big, right? So what I did was I just used a regular standard font, the size, and I think this size works good. It's not too small where you can't see it, and it's not so like super big where it's kind of like black, takes up the whole bag. This would have been way too big. And yeah, so I'm just like, nope, ain't gonna work. Okay, so how am I going to do these bags? These are pretty simple. It's kind of the same as with other tote bags, but I wanted to do a video just in case someone had a question about it. What I am going to do is I'm actually going to use my freestyle from Mighty Hoop in order for me to hoop these bags. And I'm also going to use this hoop, which is the 4 1/4 Mighty Hoop. Okay, I'm going to be using this one. So the way I printed out my templates is I printed it with the snowman feature on here. For those of you guys that have followed me for a long time, know that I use a Brother embroidery machine, and it has the scanning feature, which I love and I use religiously because it will stitch out exactly where I want it to go. So that helps out a lot. So let me show you how I'm actually going to hoop this, okay? So I'm going to move you back over here a little bit so that way you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm actually going to use tearaway stabilizer, okay? So this is what I'm going to be using, this type of stabilizer. So let me open up the hoop, put it on the stand. And these are extenders. They have like little screws at the bottom so that way you can adjust them. So that's what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to adjust them, tighten them right here, put my stabilizer in. That way it holds the stabilizer nice and steady. Okay, let me move this stuff out of the way because I do want to position myself where I'm very comfortable in hooping this, because remember, what's so important is making sure that you hoop the item right. If you don't take the time to hoop anything correctly, make sure you can see, and you can, then trust me, your embroidery is not going to come out that great, and you're not going to like it. So this is really the first step and the most important step, if you ask me. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make sure that I hoop this correctly. And I'm going to hoop this like right here and put the embroidery right in the middle of the hoop. I like where I have it. One of the things that I do notice, it is a little off, but the thing is that the Trader Joe in this bag is not really in the center. It's more on the left, but I'm going to actually put the name on the center. Okay. And I got this all hooped. I got it ready. So all I have to do now is bring this onto the machine and just embroider this. This has plenty of leeway. This holds it nice and snug. As you can see, it's nice and snug held. Okay, lots of leeway in here. This is very flexible. She should have absolutely no problem embroidering this. So let's go over to the machine and let's do bag number 1, okay? Okay guys, so I have brought up the name on the machine and stuff, and I've already set the 2 colors that are up here. She wants to have the color that's the same as this green that you have right here on the name, which is fine. And let me go in here and put this on the machine. Okay, One of the things you want to make sure is nothing is in the way. That way it's going to embroider nicely, and it is. Okay, so I'm going to hit the snowman feature. Let me show you up front what it looks like. This is the snowman feature that Brother has, which I truly, truly love. I mean, it's just a lifesaver. Hit OK. I hit OK. And what it's going to do is right here, this is a camera, and right now you can see it is scanning that. And it's going to make whatever adjustments it needs to make so that it can go ahead and can embroider exactly where my name is. Okay, and then it is done. Now I can remove the sticker, and then I can go ahead and I can start the embroidery process. Okay, so this looks like it's going to be a quick stitch. So let's take this out, and then I'm just going to hit start, and I'm going to start embroidering it. Okay, so it looks like this was a pretty quick stitch, and you can see no issues. Looks really cute. I'm really amazed at how this color really matches this color. It looks really, really cool. Let's go over to the cutting table and let's take a look at this up close. Okay guys, so here we are. So this is what it actually looks like when I took it off the machine. Looks really nice, looks good. Let me take it all out and let me move this out of the way. I'm going to take this out so we can take a look at it. And this is tearaway stabilizer, so all you got to do is just rip it off. Really easy. And oh my God, it looks cute. It really does. Looks really cute. This came out really nice. Okay. Look. I mean, it's a little lighter than the color, but it's close enough. This is really cute. I really like this, okay? And as you saw, it was really super quick to do, okay? All right, so let me go ahead, and we're going to do this again because it's just two. And let's do this one more time so you guys can see how really simple and easy it is, okay? So I'm going to, you know, I'm done with this one. This is finished, right? So let me put this aside. And I have my other sheet of stabilizer. You guys can see everything? Yes, you can. So I'm going to make sure. All right, so here we go. So I got this one in. I'm going to be putting my stabilizer in here. And this is the freestyle station from Mighty Hoops and stuff. And I have a link in the video description below. If you use the code Boricua, you get free shipping. Believe me, you're going to want the free shipping because this stuff is heavy. So you don't want to be paying for all that shipping and stuff. So, you know, oh, why did I put that over there? All right, so this one is going to have the color lilac like this. Okay, so, and it's going to have Mary Ireland on here. Let me open this back up, and I'm going to fit this in here. As you can see, this station makes it so super easy for you to go ahead and hoop your items with no issues, as you can see. Got it placed nicely. And I'm going to take this and I'm just going to snag it on. Perfect. Looks good. Exactly where I want it. Okay. See? Now, I know it looks crooked right here, but what's important is that this is exactly where I wanted to embroider, because what the machine's going to do is it's going to read that snowman. Remember that, okay? That's what I like about my feature. So we're going to go back, and this time we're going to do this back, okay? Okay, guys, so here we are at the machine, and I am here with the second bag. Let me open up the bobbin. I got plenty of bobbin. Okay, I just wanted to double check because I didn't want to run out of bobbin in the middle of the stitch. Okay, I mean, not that it really would have did anything bad, because you could just stop the machine and load in a new bobbin, no big deal. Okay, I want to make sure everything is nice and fine, that the back is not going to embroider with the front. Always make sure you have the clear. Oh, I didn't know that it has it on both sides. Trader Joe's is on both sides, honey. Didn't know that. Maybe she wants it on both sides. I don't mind doing it on both sides. It's such a quick stitch, you know. Maybe I'll just do it. Well, let me let her know before. You never change the order for customer. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to scan this. Oh, cancel that because we don't want it to say Billy Baby. This one's going to say Maryland. So I got to edit this. I got to delete that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up the new file. Now I'm going to scan it. That's the thing too. When you do this so many times, boy, it's like, okay. Now that it's positioned correctly, hit embroider. I actually want this to use needle number 1, so I'm gonna go switch. That's needle number 1. I'm going to take out my little sticker so that it can go ahead and embroider exactly where I want it to go. And now I am going to just hit the button and let this baby run. See how quick and easy, guys? Okay, that looks like that came out pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to take this out of the machine and let's go over the cutting table and let's take a look at the second one. Okay, well, I'm going to put this on here so you guys don't get dizzy. All right, so I've already packaged up the first one. Okay, so I have that. I talked to the customer because I see that Trader Joe's is embroidered on both sides of the bag. So I wanted to see if she wanted it, the name on both sides, because I would have did it. I mean, it was such a quick, it wouldn't have cost any extra. It would have been fine, but she said she only wanted it on one side, so that's fine. So I have this one packaged up ready for her. And then here is the other one. Okay, let me make sure you can see everything. Okay, you can. And this looks like it came out really cute. I actually like this one. I like this, came out really cute. All right, I'm gonna put this on the side here. I don't want to snap it shut. And as you can see, very, very simple and easy. All I gotta do is just take out the tearaway stabilizer. That's it. And this is done, ready for the customer. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to fold this in. And I always like to package the stuff nicely for them. That way, you know, always take care of, you know, packaging and all that stuff. That matters, guys. I know some people don't really, you know, want to put the effort in that, but that says something, guys. Or at least for me, okay? You know, if you go ahead and you package things really nicely for your customers to pick up and everything, they remember that because they know that you take care of their items. That's all I'm saying, you know. Everybody does things different, but that's just how I do, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put their receipt and everything in the bag as well. And some advertisement and a thank you. There you go. And I'm going to close that, and there you go. And then to make it much nicer, I'm going to actually put my own little store label on here at the bottom of each bag so it looks more professional. Okay. Get another one. That way it looks cute. Okay. These are labels that I've made myself for my company. So, and I like to put them like this so that way people know where it came from. And it's ready for pickup, guys. So see how quick this was? Really easy, simple to do. Cute bags. Cute, cute, cute bags. So guys, hope you liked this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys on Fridays live. Every Friday, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.